via the Unicast option. Let's go back into RIP here. Now, we do this with the neighbor command. So we'll go ahead and do a neighbor on router 1. So we're going to point to our neighbor here. So 192.168.12.2. So what we should see here is that we are now seeing unicasted traffic. Unicasted, I just made up a new word. I'm sorry. Unicast traffic is now being sent to, specifically to router 2 using the neighbor command. So 192.168.12.2. So we're sending version 2 updates to 192.168.12.2, which is unicast IP address. Let's go ahead on router 2 and do the same thing. As you can see here, if I do a show IP route, show IP protocol, still not seeing a neighbor on router 2. If I do a show IP protocol on router 1, same thing. Let's go to router 2 now and do enable it, the neighbor pointing back towards router 1. So neighbor is going to be router 1's IP address, which is 192.168.12.1. And let's see what happens here. Alright, so if I do a show IP protocols, let's see, show IP route, let's do this. Let's go back to router 2 here. What I forgot to do is, let's take the neighbor statement off of router 2. So we're only going to have it one-way neighbor pointing from router 1 to router 2. And let's go into router 1 here, and we'll advertise the... Okay, so here we go with the, we're sending updates out. What we need to do here is we're going to put in our network statement for our loopback. So 10.0.0.0. I'm sorry, got to get into RIP mode here. 10.0.0.0. And now what you can see here on router 2 is we're receiving the 10 network. So if I do a show IP route on router